break into aquanauts. We're registering for our scuba class. Here I go, riding the surfin.
Like a bird on a tree.
Whoa!
I'm just sitting here.
We sign up for scuba and take the books back to the boat to study.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I'm sitting on Alexian, boat register in Vancouver. Dave's from Calgary. We just met him this morning as we were riding by, and he's out here riding my bike with Andrew. He has a Leopard 38, just like you, Katie and Byron. They come. What do you think of the water bikes? I'll trade you your boat for one of those bikes. I mean, this boat. Crazy weather happening here. We have thunder and lightning right now. Lots of rain on the horizon. That's north. Whoa! There was your lightning. Facing north now. Most of the day we're facing west, which is very odd. A minute ago we were facing south. There's the thunder. Listen to that. Glad I'm not sailing north to Tobago Keys today. What you doing, Andrew?
I'm reading my dive book so I can become a scuba diver.
What chapter are you on?
I'm on chapter 2, and I'm learning about ascents in open water. Seems to be going pretty good right now. Give you a little exercise every couple pages and make sure you know what the stuff is. It's going okay. What are you doing, Leanne?
I am just finishing the test for my open water diver, a chapter 1 knowledge review.
How's it going?
Yeah, good. I think I got them right. I think I got them all right.
Excellent.
I'm going to start chapter 2 now.
All right, keep us posted.
Okay.
Sometimes on a boat, there's not a lot to do, but we find stuff to do to keep ourselves busy.
We do.
We both do.
Whether we're studying for scuba or studying for scuba on the iPad, doing laundry, swimming, more swimming, and even more swimming, or looking off to see the ships come into harbor. Editing these videos, it all fills our days.
Thank you for watching this episode of Sailing Wave Riders.
Remember to like, subscribe,
And share.
Enjoy!
Till next time.